Thank you.
Shakti Kapoor has no issues if celebrity photographer Rohan Shrestha is the one for his daughter Shraddha Kapoor. The veteran actor has said in an interview कि उनकी बेटी जब भी अपने लाइफ पार्टनर चुनेगी, वो उसे पूरी तरह सपोर्ट करेंगे. It was Varun Dhawan who sparked off rumors of Shraddha Kapoor's marriage when he responded to Rohan Shrestha's congratulatory note with a message that asked him to get ready as well. This mysterious message combined with the constant rumors of Rohan and Shraddha being a couple has created quite a flurry of interest in whether these two are going to walk down the aisle very soon. Take a look. Speaking to a news portal, Shraddha's father Shakti Kapoor, who has been an actor in Bollywood for several decades, shared that he will not raise an objection to his daughter's choice of partner. The actor, who played mainly villainous roles during the peak of his career, added that he will always stand by his daughter whether she chooses to marry Rohan or any other guy. Ever since Varun Dhawan asked Rohan if he is ready, there have been non-stop speculations about whether Rohan and Shraddha are planning to get married anytime soon. But while he had denied these rumors earlier, Shakti ji now says, why only Rohan Shrestha? If she comes and tells me whoever she chooses and wants to settle down with, I will not have any objection. Shakti ji also revealed that Rohan and Shraddha are childhood friends और रोहन का बचपन से उनके घर पे आना जाना है. In fact, Shakti ji Rohan के पापा राकेश श्रेष्ठा को भी अच्छे से जानते हैं. Talking about their equation as family friends, Shakti ji said, I know Rohan's father Rakesh Shrestha even before he became a photographer. I have not only done several photo shoots with Rakesh, but we too have gone out together for dinners and drinks. He is a very good friend of mine. But whether Rohan is Shraddha's Mr. Right is something Papa Kapoor cannot confirm. Shraddha hasn't told me that she plans to marry him. To me, they are still just childhood friends. I don't know if they are serious about each other. His recent statements came as a pleasant surprise क्योंकि कुछ ही दिनों पहले शक्ति जी ने कहा था कि श्रद्धा अपने करियर पे कंसंट्रेट कर रही है and he doesn't see her getting married for 2-3 years at least. Asked about the softening in his stand, Shakti ji said, I maintain that, but with time, children grow and take their own decisions. Shraddha is doing so well in her career and I'm extremely proud of her. She is currently working with Ranbir Kapoor. Shraddha will choose her partner and the time she wants to get married herself. Well, looks like Papa Mummy ने decision Shraddha पे छोड़ दिया है. We'll just have to wait and watch for the big announcement, if any, from her and Rohan.